Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned-down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 5. The Sea Cocoanuts. O truthful God! On the 21st night of the month Zabarjadi, the following day being Tuesday, and corresponding to the 19th night of Ziqad, when morning was about to dawn at Patan, the capital, I had the following dream. I seemed to have gone up to the large upper chamber where I saw 40 to 50 sea cocoanuts. The smallest of these was about the size of a lemon, and the biggest was as large as a small pitcher. I took them all and kept them in front of me. I cut one of the cocoa nuts and drank its water. I praised the water of the cocoa nut and said that it was extremely sweet and refreshing. I had tasted the water of sea cocoa nuts previously on 2 or 3 occasions, but had found it brackish. I was surprised to find the water of these cocoa nuts so sweet. In the meantime, certain women who were strangers and were sitting there cut one of the bigger cocoa nuts, and removing its cover opened it and passing on the pulp to me said that it was very sweet. I thus took it in my hand. The other cocoa nuts were still lying in front of me when I woke up and did not again go to sleep. End of Dream 5.